We're going to go ahead and start with number 1. So number 1, we got a soccer league here. Last season, Lionel scored 10 goals. So we got Lionel. So Lionel scored 10 goals last season. And then Cristiano scored 15 goals last season. Okay, we're just trying to organize our numbers first, trying to understand what's going on. This season, if Lionel scores 2 goals each game, so Lionel's got a 2, and Cristiano only scores 1 goal each game, how many games will they each have to play before they have the same total number of goals? All right? So you can't see? There we go. Is that better? Someone said they can't see. Okay. So, for Lionel, which of these is our M and which of them is our B? What number repeats over and over? 2 or 10, Alexa? 2, right? That's going to be our M. Take a look. 2 goals each game. 1 goal each game. Each equals unit rate, or per. Per and each are both unit rate words, right? Can't even see that. So 10 is our B. What's our M for Cristiano? 1, and then 15 is going to be our B there. So we got 2x plus 10, and then we got 1x plus 15. We're going to set those equal to each other off to the side. And then we're going to solve. So what's the first thing we want to do here? That's right, we're going to subtract 1x from both sides. 2x minus 1x gives us 1x. And then we subtract 15 from both sides. I'm sorry, 10, my bad. I was looking at 15. I meant 10. Subtract 10 from both sides. These 10s cancel. And we're left with x is equal to what? 5, right? Gentlemen, I already mentioned, if you're going to be doing stuff on your Chromebook, stop talking, okay? So, 5 what? That's the question here. What's our units? Games, right? What does that mean in the context of this problem? Does that mean they're only going to play 5 games this season? Jordan, what does it mean?
They need 5 more games to catch up to each other.
Yes, precisely. They need to play 5 games before they have the same total number of goals, right? Not too bad, hopefully. All right, let's go down to number 4. So number 4 says you posted a TikTok last night that received 150 views before you woke up. Let's go ahead and start outlining our numbers right now. TikTok, 150 views before you woke up. After waking up, the video received a constant stream of 20 views per hour. Per hour. So which of these numbers is our M? Noah? 20, right? Every hour that passes, you get 20 more views. But our starting point, which is the views that you earned while you were asleep, is 150. All right, now we've got your best friend also posting a TikTok, so we'll call that one TikTok 1. We'll call this other one TikTok 2. That received only 100 views before they woke up, but a constant stream of 40 views per hour after that. So what number is our M here, once again? 40. And our B value is 100. So y1 is equal to 20x plus 150. That's our TikTok. And then our best friend's TikTok's equation is 40x plus 100. We're going to set these equal to each other. 20x plus 150 equals 40x plus 100. What's the first thing that we want to do here, folks? Oh, Nipo? Exactly. We're going to subtract 40x from both sides. Thank you, sir. These 40s cancel, giving us what now on the left-hand side? What's 20x minus 40x? Negative 20x. Thank you, sir. Don't forget the variable there when you're writing this down. Now we're going to bring our constant term over to the right and subtract 150 from both sides. And we're left with negative 20x is equal to what? What's 100 minus 150, folks? Negative 50. Now we're going to divide both sides by what? Negative 20, thank you. These cancel out to 1. The negative over negative cancels out. But what does 50 over 20 simplify to? Well, it simplifies to 5 over 2, right? But if you remember yesterday, I told you guys this is the one rare time where I'm going to tell you to actually convert your fraction into a decimal. Because what are our units on this answer? Hours, right? So have you ever told someone, oh, I'll be over there in about 5 over 2 hours? No, nobody says that. 5 over 2 hours. We convert it to a decimal and we get what? 2.5 or 2.5 hours. Now, typically we don't say I'll be over there in 2.5 hours either. We say 2.5, but we'll just leave it like that, 2.5. Now, if you left it as 5 over 2 on a test, you would get full credit. That's completely fine. All right, they're the same number, so I can't complain. But you do need to have hours on the end. That'll get a point taken off, not having the units. Okay? Just so you guys can check your work, does anyone have the answer here for number 2? What did they get? Mason? 10 square yards, you said? Perfect, that sounds about right. 10 square yards on number 2. And then who has the answer for number 3? 3 hours, right? So I want to move into our next activity because, oh geez, that took a lot of time. But that's okay because it was 2 days worth of worksheets. I hear people keep talking about GimKit. I have no idea what that is.
It's Kahoot on steroids.
It's Kahoot on steroids.
That's what makes it